China National Offshore Oil Corporation is the largest offshore oil and gas producer in China. Offshore oil and gas field exploitation is an important business sector of CNOOC Group. Wellhead Control Panel, abbreviated as Wellhead Panel, full name is Wellhead Safety Control System. It is an important component of offshore oil and gas well production. During the oil and gas field extraction process, it is necessary to closely monitor the pressure changes in the wellhead disc to ensure the safe and stable operation of the entire system. Pressure sensors play an extremely critical role in monitoring changes in system operating pressure. The pressure sensor in the wellhead disc requires extremely high accuracy and stability. At the same time, it must also meet the requirements for use in hazardous areas such as Zone 0 and Zone 1. The HL series intelligent pressure transmitter produced by ZYZL adopts advanced monocrystalline silicon sensor technology and has passed multiple rigorous product certifications at home and abroad. The HL series intelligent pressure transmitter have been used in conjunction with the offshore oil well wellhead system for many years, ensuring the normal operation of the system and playing an extremely important role in the safe production of offshore oil and gas wells.